The 10.26-inch wireless CarPlay screen provides seamless integration with both CarPlay and Android Auto, allowing you to access essential apps while keeping your focus on the road. With support for Airplay and Android Cast, the screen offers a high-quality 1600 by 600 pixel touchscreen that can be easily removed, making it ideal for watching videos during long trips. Equipped with a 4K front camera and a 1080p rear camera, this screen ensures comprehensive recording of your driving experience and automatically switches to the rear view when reversing. The intelligent G sensor locks important footage during emergencies, and you can conveniently view recordings on your phone with in-app control. Its adjustable touchscreen automatically adapts to ambient light conditions, providing a comfortable viewing experience without glare. Installation is a breeze with the plug-and-play setup, offering multiple audio output options and compatibility with a wide range of vehicles.